Welcome back to Immigration Insight, the podcast where we break down complex U.S. immigration issues and help you navigate your path to success. I'm Suzanne, your host, and today we're talking about the EB-1A visa, often known as the Extraordinary Ability Visa. Joining us once again is Shah Pierelli, founder of the Shah Pierelli Law Group. Shah has helped countless clients secure EB-1A visas, even in challenging fields. Shah, thanks for being here.
Thank you, Suzanne. The EB-1A is one of the most rewarding visa categories, especially for individuals at the top of their fields who want to bring their talents to the US. It's a high standard, but with the right strategy, it's achievable. Absolutely. The EB-1A visa is for those who demonstrate extraordinary ability in fields such as arts, sciences, business, education, or athletics. To qualify, applicants must meet at least 3 out of 10 specific criteria. Here's a breakdown. 1. Awards and honors. This criterion is met by receiving significant awards. For example, if an applicant in the arts has received an international award like an Oscar or Grammy, it's strong evidence of extraordinary ability. For scientists, this could be a highly regarded research award. 2. Membership in associations. Membership in associations that require outstanding achievements is another criterion. For instance, a scientist who is part of an elite organization like the National Academy of Sciences may qualify. The membership itself must have a selective process, not just open to anyone. 3. Published material about the applicant. Published articles or media coverage about the individual's work counts here. Let's say there's a news story about an athlete's achievements, or a feature article about an artist in a reputable magazine. This could satisfy this requirement. 4. Judging the work of others. Individuals who have served as judges, whether on a panel or independently, in their field of expertise, also meet this criterion. For example, a chef who served as a judge on a competitive cooking show, or a scientist who reviews journal submissions could qualify. 5. Original contributions of major significance. This is about impactful contributions. If a scientist has developed a technology that changes their field, or if a business leader has innovated a strategy now used widely, it meets this requirement. 6. Authorship of scholarly articles. Publishing significant articles in journals or recognized publications helps fulfill this. For example, a researcher with peer-reviewed papers in leading scientific journals can meet this criterion. 7. Display of work in exhibitions or showcases. For artists, this could include gallery exhibitions, while for other fields, it could mean being invited to present work at conferences. 8. Leading or critical role in distinguished organizations. Serving in a senior or pivotal role at a reputable organization also qualifies. For instance, an executive at a Fortune 500 company or a top researcher in a major tech company could fulfill this requirement. 9. High salary or remuneration. Earning a high salary compared to others in the field can demonstrate extraordinary ability. For example, an athlete with a sponsorship deal worth millions, or an executive with a lucrative contract. 10. Commercial success in the performing arts. For artists and entertainers, commercial success, such as record sales, box office success, or streaming views, can meet this criterion. Meeting 3 out of these 10 criteria is necessary, but we typically aim for more than 3 to make the case as strong as possible. At the Shah Pierelli Law Group, we take a structured approach to every EB-1A case. Here's the roadmap we follow. First, we conduct a detailed evaluation of the client's profile to determine which criteria they already meet. We'll identify areas of strength and potential gaps. Next, we guide our clients through gathering documents. For example, if an applicant has media articles, we need to collect the original publications. We also help them request letters from colleagues or industry leaders who can testify to their contributions. We focus on building a narrative around the applicant's top accomplishments. For instance, if they've made a breakthrough in technology, we showcase its significance and impact on the field. Strong, personalized recommendation letters are crucial. We help draft these letters to highlight specific accomplishments, tailoring each letter to showcase different aspects of the applicant's expertise. Once we have everything, we organize it into a compelling petition. We carefully format and file all documents to avoid delays or issues. If USCIS issues a request for evidence, we promptly address it by providing additional information or clarification. Our extensive experience helps us anticipate what USCIS may look for and prepare accordingly. Absolutely, Suzanne. At our firm, we focus on building strong, persuasive cases. We have in-depth knowledge of what USCIS looks for in each criterion, and we tailor every petition to emphasize the client's unique strengths. Additionally, we take a collaborative approach. We work closely with our clients throughout, ensuring that every detail is accurate and impactful. Our team has handled numerous successful EB1A cases, including scientists, artists, athletes, and business leaders. For example, we recently secured an EB1A for an Indian classical dancer and another for a semiconductor engineer. We know how to build a narrative that showcases why the applicant is at the top of their field, which leads to a higher success rate.
Thanks, Shah. This has been a great overview of the EB1A visa and a detailed look at how your firm approaches these cases. For all our listeners, if you're aiming for the top in your field and want to make the US your home, consider the EB1A. And, as always, if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Immigration Insight for more expert guidance. Thanks for listening.